This is not your average water bottle. The LARQ PureVis 2 is smart, well thought out, and designed to become your daily companion in staying hydrated. But does it actually deliver on those promises? Let's inspect. No, I usually don't review bottles, but this happens to be a smart one, and throughout the past couple of weeks it has convinced me that it is worth a proper look. This is the PureVis 2 by LARQ, in full transparency at the start. This video is sponsored by LARQ, but as usual I have fought for my freedom to speak about all the positives, but also cover all the negatives. And in the next few minutes, besides enjoying some cool, fresh, nice water, I will tell you about what this bottle can do, how it can help you to stay hydrated, and which are its major benefits and drawbacks. Let's get started. Hydration is a lot more important topic than you think. Did you know that 75% of Americans suffer from chronic dehydration? And a lot of the people who drink tap water are exposed to lead, and if you prefer to buy some of these plastic bottles, each and every minute, millions of them end up in landfills. That's huge. So yeah, the way we drink water matters, because after all, you are what you eat and drink. The bottle's main job is simple: make your water cleaner and safer. It achieves this goal with two layers. First, the Nano Zero filter, which removes chlorine, pharmaceuticals, and PFAS, the so-called forever chemicals. This also improves taste and quality of the water for added convenience, and also when traveling. The Essential filter can filter up to 25 gallons of water, typically within a stretch of 2 months, which equals to close to 190 single-use plastic bottles. Additionally, LARQ's PureVis UVC LED purification kicks in, eliminating up to 99.9999% of biocontaminants like E. coli and Salmonella. LARQ even publishes third-party lab reports, so you can verify the claims. Let me talk about design and build quality now. Unboxing of the bottle feels premium. Two sizes, 680 milliliters and 1000 milliliters. For color choices, granite white, obsidian black, Mojave dune, and eucalyptus green. Mine are Mojave and eucalyptus, and they look so nice. The bottle itself is made by food-grade stainless steel. There's frosted grip finish, which feels like the old OnePlus sandstone texture, but softer. A removable strap for easy carrying, and this subtle glowing ring that doubles as a reminder and status indicator. The wide mouth fits ice cubes easily, and the double wall insulation keeps your water cold for up to 24 hours. I can confirm that putting 2 ice cubes in the morning guarantees that the water is still going to remain cold up until the late afternoon. Let me propose a quick specs list for my fellow nerds. Capacity 680 or 1000 milliliters, under 30 centimeters tall, 439 grams for the larger version, 8.3 centimeters diameter for the larger again, double wall insulation, detachable handle, USB-C charging, and full app control via the LARQ smartphone app. Now, if we talk about the software, because yes, it's a smart bottle, so there is such kind of thing, this is where the PureVis 2 really shines, because apart from the fact that it can track every single sip, it can also help you to chase your own personal goals, send you reminders, and even send you updates about the environmental impact that you make through not buying any plastic bottles. Oh, and it also integrates with Apple Health. I was skeptical, but it worked. I quickly became more disciplined with drinking water, and I did feel improvements in focus and energy both. The app shows streaks, personal bests, even your environmental impact like plastic bottles saved. It also manages your filter status, and here, for example, you can see how much of water has passed through the filter up until now. You can also log other drinks like coffee or juice, not beer though. Looks like alcohol doesn't count. Let's talk about real-world use. In practice, the 1-liter bottle still fits in my car's cup holder. Ice lasts over 12 hours, and with more cubes, you can stretch that to a full day. The removable strap is practical and durable, easy to clip on a backpack. The bottle itself is dishwasher safe, just not the cap. And if you want to use it without a filter for other drinks, you can. Just remove it. Of course, after all, it's probably not perfect, is it? Well, filters need replacement every now and then, which adds cost, though subscriptions are a bit cheaper and carbon neutral. After a couple of weeks, under certain angle and temperature, there's a bit of noise coming from the strap. The weight is of course more than a plastic bottle, but still reasonable compared to premium insulated bottles. And then there's the price, not cheap. But remember, it combines several functions into one and is nature-friendly. Do I like it? Absolutely. The LARQ PureVis 2 happens to be the best water bottle I've ever used in my life. And not only it has superb qualities about water purification, I think these tiny smart features are an excellent enhancement about your daily habits. Because if there is something that can help me to stay better disciplined about being hydrated all day long, I'm totally in for that. Do I like the price? Not really. Do I like the fact that I have to replace the filters every now and then? Even less. But every single thing that we do in order to preserve the Mother Nature counts. As for your own health, there is no money in the world that can buy you good health. So if at some point you decide to buy your own LARQ PureVis 2, check the video description area for more information and a link to the best deal at the moment. And in case you have any questions or you want to share about your own experience about water bottles and water purification, maybe we can catch up in the comments area below the video. Thank you very much for watching this episode. Stay fresh, stay hydrated, live a healthy life, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.